Alright guys, welcome to today's episode. Today we are going to be doing something different. A lot of you guys keep sending me screenshots of charts in my DM. Oh, check, can I enter now? Where should I enter? What are you looking out for before you enter and all that? Now, like yesterday trade, most of you guys were sending me screenshots. Now I've decided today to share with you how you can actually enter the trade when the price comes to your zone, right? When the price comes to your zone, how you can enter the trade.
Now, if you're still wondering what I'm talking about,
that means you have been missing my daily forecast and free signal in my Telegram group. What you have to do to join this particular Telegram is just click the link in the description of this video and you will join my Telegram group for free. You are not paying anything for the forecasting, for the signal. Everything is just there for you. Place a trade and relax. That means with the information I'm going to be sharing in this video, coupled with the forecasting and signal I drop in the Telegram group, you don't need any other thing than to stick to your plan and be disciplined, and you will see a significant improvement and outcome in your trading this year. Okay, so now I'm doing it not because of you guys, because you guys don't care. That's the truth, and that is one of the reasons why a lot of people monetize everything, because whenever you are giving something for free, people take it for granted. They don't care. It's just it's free, but when they pay for something, they value the information, they value the knowledge, they value the time, they value the energy, because they spend their money. But for the fact that I've already understood this from day one, but it's not stopping people like me. It can never stop us from doing the needful, from extending that helping hand, because I know the more I help people, the more I'm helped, and the more I grow and the more I learn. So that's the basic reason why I do this. When you see people's comments, maybe come to my DM, talk about something, you just get to understand how human being are a kind of will I say molded, or how human being behaves, as long as they are getting it for free. If you go to my channel, you get to understand too how human being behaves. If you see most of this thing I post, you just see one person, one reaction. About 200 and something persons we view something, you just have like 2 reactions. Though Telegram don't pay for all these things now, so it's not like I'm looking for anything. But some certain things courtesy demand that, just like yesterday I posted something about voting, just about 20-something% of people voted. I think yesterday, if you can see from here, 165% just viewed the post and 49 persons were able to vote, right? That's how human being are. I understood this, and it's not going to discourage me from doing more. So that's why I want the more you don't pay attention, you don't care, is the more I even help you. That's me. So but now today I'm going to be sharing with you how to make this entry. You can see what is popping up now, waiting for focus pause, right? You can see one of the thing I'm talking about. If you go to my DM, that's how nobody's going to say good morning, no, how are you doing, or all this. We are waiting for focus, like they pay for it. It's just good that you saw just a message that popped up now, so it's good that you see, so that you understand what I'm saying, that I'm not just talking. I know what I see every day, but those things doesn't discourage me from doing what I do. All right, because I know some people value it. Very few persons value those informations like this. So today we are going to be breaking down how you can actually enter your trade. Now if you look at what is happening here, okay, the price have tapped into our zone. All right, the price is in our zone. Now when the price comes to this zone, you have to sell, but you are not selling until you get a signal that the price is going to be selling from there. And what are you going to be using? I'm going to just share with you just 2 things that you can actually use. It's popular and you guys can actually easily use that. So when the price comes to the zone, you can switch to a lower time frame, like 5 minutes time frame, okay, to confirm something. You can be looking for something like double top right there. Maybe if the price comes to the zone and give you a double top, all right, and drop, maybe after the breakout from the neckline, maybe after the breakout from the neckline, you can actually start making it. So this is like one way of taking this trade. You needed the price to give you a reaction, okay, that I'm going to be selling from this zone. For the price that for the fact that the price at your zone is not a guarantee that you start selling at that point. You still need confirmation that the price is respecting that zone. I forecasted all these things when the price is still far, the price come back to the zone. So if you have waited for the price to come back to the zone, why not wait to confirm your entry, so that your waiting will not be a waste? So that's like one way of entering. The same way here, you can see that when the price came there, price respected and dropped, then push up again, which is giving us that double top. You just need small move to the downside for you to confirm, okay, we are moving, this is a double top, we are going to be moving to the downside before you start making entry. So that's the second place where we should make this entry, using equal highs and equal lows, or W pattern or an M pattern. All right, so now the last one, which the price expected, which is the last POI, you can see the price tap into the zone, all right, drop down, come up, all right, and you see when the price break the neckline, which is somewhere there, is when you now start scaling in your entry. That's the point to start selling. Maybe you wait for a retest there that also happened. You might not even wait for a retest again. You start selling from there. So this is one way of making entry. This is one way of making entry using equal high and equal lows. Okay, so the next thing is the use of indicator. So on 5 minutes time frame also, I can actually turn on my indicator and I wait for the price to break. After tapping into my zone, I want the price to close below this indicator for me to sell. So this particular indicator is 50 SMA, 50 simple moving average. All right, so I just wait for the price to, after tapping into my zone, I patiently wait for the price to break out from my 50 simple moving average before I sell. So but at this point, you can see that the price could not come down to this zone to close below it. The same thing that happened here, the price couldn't come down here to close below it, right? So but at this point, you can simply see how the price closes below this zone. So at that point, you can start selling from there. So these are simple things that you can actually consider that will help you make entries. So now there's another important thing I want to share with you. Yesterday, I want you to rewatch the video of the forecasting yesterday so that you understand this. I already know that I'm not going to take this trade from point the price tap into the zone. If you watch the video, I told you guys that this is a zone where I'm expecting the price to tap and start buying. This is a higher time frame setup for me. All right, this is a higher time frame buy for me. I told you guys that's why I drew this. If the price pull back to my zone and drop to here, this is my TP, because I know that this is a strong zone that is going to reject the price, bounce back, and price will start pushing up. So by the time I was waiting for the price to retrace my POI, the price moved direct to the TP level. So once the price have already moved to the TP level, how are you going to be waiting for the price again to come back to the zone and go back again to the TP? It's not always happen. So it's rare for you to say such things. So once the price couldn't go back to my zone and first tap into my TP, right? Tapped into my TP. So once the price do that, then I'm off the trade. I'm not even expecting anything again. All right. So but even if you didn't pay attention to this, all right, you can still switch to 5 minutes time frames, still look for the same thing, double top, double bottom. Very simple concept. Now when the price come to that zone, you can see there is nothing like that. There's nothing like double top, double or anything like that. So you can equally use the indicator I told you guys, which is 50 MA. You can see that SMA, sorry, you can see that the price did not even come close to your moving average. So as long as the price did not come close to your moving average, you are doing nothing. Remember, for those who don't even because some people, it seems like they just started trading today. So somebody might tell me now, why this one it's have crossed, why is it that it did not sell? I didn't say you should go and put EMA anywhere it breaks you. At your zone, this is a level we have marked and we are waiting for the price to come back to the zone. So it must be the zone. The price will react to the zone and cross or break EMA or SMA before you start selling. It's not anywhere you see price crossing or anything like that so you should not do that anyways. So that's another example of what you need to do. So if you look at this particular trade now, this is the trade we have been talking about 2 days ago about this VS 100 1 second. If you look at a higher time frame, when there was a close, I told you guys once the price closes above here, we are going to be waiting for a retest and we are looking for buying opportunities, because we are waiting for price to close below here so that we'll sell more, or the price break above, retest, so that we'll buy more. So the price did the breaking out from here, then retesting at this point, then we have to buy more. If you look at our zone, the price also tapped into our zone. I didn't take this trade because it's too early. Price tapped into our zone. If I switch to 5 minutes time frame now, you will definitely see those things I'm talking about. So at this my zone, can you see at this my zone, we have a clear double bottom right there. You can see this double bottom right here. So when we have this double bottom, you shouldn't be looking for anything again than to buy from close of this candle, all right, close of that candle to the upward side. Price still give you another double bottom here to still buy more. Okay, if you want to buy, to still buy more from here. If I still turn on the indicator, you can see the close of that price breaking above that indicator after tapping into our zone. That's another entry. You can see how everything is aligning well on this particular chart. So these are the things you can actually check out. These are the things I'm giving you guys for free. I've now giving you everything for free because I've shown you how to break down the chart, how to forecast, how to mark out your zone, your POI, and how to enter. What again do you want from me? Maybe you guys want my life, but I won't give you guys my life. But that's exactly what I've done now in this particular video. I hope this one is going to be helpful. I hope you are going to apply all these things. I hope you not be bombarding me with messages about how you can enter, how you can do this and do that. All right, so this is it for today's forecast. So So we are not going to be doing a lot today, but basically what I've shared with you now is actually what you need. I hope this is helpful. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now, guys.